Right, well, I'm at the Motorist today and I thought I'd just do a video because if I don't then I'll probably regret it later on. So, yeah, so there was a little Rover 200 400 owners meet here and I thought, you know what, I'll go down in the new acquisition, in the Rover 25 of course, and yeah, there's a few little exciting motors here, but starting off with this lovely Volkswagen Corrado VR6. Very nice. I do like these. I actually do like these. Pretty nice cars. You don't see many of them either. There's a sea of modern cars here as well. I mean, there's things like that, but we're not really interested in that stuff for now. We just like the things like this. Love the front end on these. I'm walking over to a Rover 75 Tourer, and I believe this is actually a monogram colour. Looking at the colour of it, I don't know which one it is. Correct me if I'm wrong. Moody blue. I'm not too sure, but it's a lovely colour. You don't really see the monograms at all, really, especially on Rovers. Really nice, that one. And then over here we've got a trio of Rovers once again. Midnight blue, silver, and nice little GTI over there. Another Tourer, Bosch, a saloon. This one came from Seward, and it even has the dealer sticker. So you know me, I'm a bit odd like that. Collect bloody dealer stickers. Don't ask why, I just do. Then we've got 220 GTI here. Lovely alloys, nice condition as well. They look like they've been refurbished. It's had all the bits and bobs on it. Carnelian Shrewsbury, this one. 220 GTI. I'm not sure what I've done to the bumper. I think they've maybe filled it in because there's no other detail lines that follow it along. I'm not there, you know, but yeah. Other than that, it's a really nice car. Very nice. Just walking over here with the Volkswagen Scirocco here. Seems to be souped up a bit with the BBS alloys and all that lot. German style plates. Lovely Ford Fiesta Mark III there. I like that. Also a very original Escort. This is lovely. You don't really see original Escorts. See bullet wing mirrors and all that lot. Very cool. Lovely colour as well. Nice orange colour. Lovely stuff. A few MGs, MGBs and all that, MTFs, Fs. This is a nice one. I like the colour on that as well with beige interior. Over here, a very early F on an M plate in Amaranth purple, which is really nice. We've got another TF there, 160 TF. I love Amaranth, it's a lovely colour. Very nice. There's just a little yellow midget going past there. You get an angle on that. There he goes. Talking to the owner earlier about Rovers and stuff, as you do. Lovely Volvo there. Let's go have a look at that. There's actually quite a few cars that do stand out in the crowd today. Nice Volvo 240 SL catalyzer. Got all the names on the back. Very nice alloys as well on these, really cool 80s style. I do love a Volvo 240, really cool cars. The Mercedes there, looks like it's been lowered a bit. LMG midget there, that's very cool. Over here I haven't seen this one, this is apparently it's a genuine Rover turbo rally car or something. I don't know too much about it because I haven't spoken with the owner, but it's a genuine one, that's for sure, which is really cool. Got all the bucket seats and all the things on the dash and Rover Sport decals, Dunlop, route finder and all that lot. Really cool. Obviously it matches all the colours of the Rover Sport logo. Little TF there with an extra spoiler on the back. MGB. It is MG day today, I think, at the most. Coffee and cars and MGs and stuff. But there was also a Rover thing as well. But yeah, another midget there. And then we do have a lovely 214 SEI here. This is owned by one of the, I think it's owned by one of the owners of the owners club or something, which is really cool. It's in charcoal, nice colour on the facelift, really does suit it well. And I do love the interior, the sportier interior with the half leather seats and all that lot. Very nice. Project Nigel's here. I don't know where he's wandered off to, but he's gone somewhere. Look at that BMW coming in, really nice. 216 coupe there. And we've got the Nigel Mobile here. We all know Project Nigel, the famous Rover man on YouTube. This is interesting. This is a V8, so it's an MG ZT 260. So it's got all the nice exhaust notes and stuff. And there's my car looking not particularly its best. You know, it still needs work doing to it. I haven't really had much chance. It's still a bit mucky actually, but I brought it along because I thought, why not? As the other car is currently off the road for now, simply because, you know, it just is, you know, things. Nice American car here, Cadillac. I am starting to like these more and more. Probably can't really see much because of the reflection, but they are nice cars. I bet they're a pain to park though in UK parking spaces. Lovely Ford here, this is really nice. Really nice. Irish turbo. It's got a few little bits of information in the back there.
That sort of thing.
Lovely stuff. Now over here there's a little Metro Mosaic, which is a special edition Metro. Look at that. It's awesome. Bulbridge Garage this one came from. Really nice. It's all got the Mosaic decals and stuff like that on it. Special edition. All got the seat patterns and all that lot. Really nice. Lovely stuff. And I think really that's about it, to be honest. I mean, a lot of it's just like Porsches and whatnot, and I'm not really interested in that sort of stuff. And I assume people who watch me aren't really that interested either. We had the same likes and whatnot, but yeah, there's a few older cars around just lurking, but yeah, that is interesting. This thing here that's just turned up, I don't know what you call these. Let's have a look at this actually, it's quite interesting. Quantum H4, I've never heard of these. It's got Ford Fiesta lights in it, so that's the only thing I know. That's very interesting. Very cool. Well, I think we're going to leave it there for now. There's Paul there. So yeah, that's it. I think we're going to leave it there. We've gone through all the cars that we're interested in. But yeah, anyway, cheers for watching. I'll see you in another car video or whatever.